Number 4, we need to fill in the table here using this number. This number is 5%. 5%, what we know about 5%, well, we can put it right here. 5%. Percent, the word percent means out of, cent means 100. So this as a fraction, just right now, we could say 5 out of 100. So it's 5 100ths. We can simplify this, so we can divide by 5, and we can divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I know that 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then we'll just add that extra 0. So that's one thing we can do. We can say 10 divided by 5, unless you just knew it was 20. Fraction would be 1/20th. Now back to 5 100ths, though. I want to say 5 100ths. If you have a multiple of 10 in your denominator, well, that tells you the place that this 5 needs to be written. So we are going to have, this is our decimal point. Here's the ones. Here's our tenths. And here's our hundredths. So we go to the hundredths place, because that's what our denominator is. We put our 5 there, and then the rest needs to just be zeros. So we get 0.05. So when we're going decimal and percent, another thing we could do is we could say, well, what's 5 divided by 100? And that's going to give you the same thing. When you divide by 100, you take your number, you take your decimal point, and you move it to the left 2 times, because that was divided by 10. Now it's divided by 100. We get 0.05. 0.05, 5 100ths, 5%, 5 out of 100, 5%.